Hi, I know how frustrating it can be out with your camera, getting pictures of birds. You end up with messy backgrounds, branched in front of the subject. Let me show you a way that we can get professional looking images without any cost and very little effort. Find a place where birds are fed on a regular basis. Park gate, farmer's gate, like you see in the pictures now. Get yourself a nice perch. I like one with moss on, as you see. Hide the food, the nuts and the sunflower hearts, etc. if you can, so they don't show in the picture. Yeah, pick a better day than I just have. It does get better though. That's our setup for the day. Simple perch clamped onto the fence, bit of moss and the perch with the moss on. My hide for the day is the car, nothing better, sat in the back with my dog, camera on a tripod. It doesn't take long for the birds to come once the rain stops. Little grey tit there, as you see, very very wet juvenile grey tit. Gives you that professional look straight away. The robins are always obliging. Grey tits too, that's just the moss on the top of the fence, the gate post, sorry. Still lots of juveniles around, as you can see, this late on in the year, and one of my favourite birds now in the touch. Always entertaining, great to photograph, very photogenic. And as you see, the results are very pleasing, nice clean backdrop. Love the robin, always happy to be photographed, and I'm always happy to photograph them. And as you see, no messy background, nothing crossing the subject, it's cost me nothing, an hour in the car. Thanks, hope you enjoy.